Hello guys and welcome to Top Foreign Channel. In this video I'll teach you how to earn $5 by entering words every 60 seconds. This is one of the simplest ways to earn money online. How do you go about doing it? We'll find out soon enough. This is how you can get money typing words on the internet. Get paid up to $300 per hour by typing phrases while enjoying your favorite coffee. All you have to do now is make sure you're doing it correctly. If you don't feel like typing, you may simply copy and paste it. Continue to watch as I demonstrate how to accomplish it. Also, registration in this website is absolutely free. You do not need to pay anything in advance, and you do not need any prior expertise. This can be done in a computer or a smartphone. You can do this from anywhere in the world, regardless of whether you have an Android or an iOS device. Now, before I tell you how to do it, let me know in the comments below where you're from. That way I'll be able to create more videos that work for your country. Also, don't forget that I'll be providing exclusive additional advice that will help you earn double or even triple what others are earning. As a result, make sure to stick around and watch until the very end. Before we get started with the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that like button and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever we upload a new video. And don't forget to leave a comment too. Let's start. The first step that I need you to do is to go to typingtest.com, a highly significant site where you may take a 60-second typing test. When you get to the web page, click on typing tests to be directed to this page where you can check your typing skills in a minute. Type away to join more than 150 million people who have already taken the exam. You can choose between a 1-minute and a 10-minute test, and after which you can choose text sentences or words that are particularly important. Kindly log in and choose the 1-minute test in medium text options like what I mentioned earlier. The best part is that you can do it all, even on your smartphone. As you can see, clicking the start test allows you to begin typing. Then they'll measure how fast you type using a 1-minute timer that's right here. So if I start typing particular words, the timer will start ticking and I'll be able to see how quickly I type. Now, if you go back to the home page and click on typing courses, you will be given a free typing course to help you improve your typing speed. The reason for this is that in this video I'll show you a few places where you may earn money simply by typing. The more quickly you type, the more money you earn. Now I'll show you some websites where you can make money online just by typing. This will be the first website in our list. As you can see, the cost per minute is 1.25 cents. Let's have a look at an online calculator and conduct some math. That works out to 1.25 cents each minute, or $75. If you type for 60 minutes or an hour, you can make $225 if you type for 3 hours. Additionally, if you type for 5 hours, you can earn up to $375 just for typing. This truly is a once-in-a-lifetime chance. This is a very trustworthy website with over 170,000 users from diverse businesses from all over the world. We're talking about rev.com. Now I'd like you to go to their homepage. As you can see, transcription costs 1.25 cents per minute, captions cost 1.25 cents per minute, and foreign subtitles cost between $3 and $7 per minute. If you're from another country, it actually gives you an advantage. If you're from India and there aren't any Hindi subtitles accessible, for example, you can volunteer to assist them translate the videos from English to Hindi or Hindi to English. This is a great way to make a lot of money. Let's have a look at how much money you can make. Now, you may earn around $5 per minute on average, which translates to $300 per hour by simply translating films to foreign subtitles. If you're just getting started and don't know a foreign language, I'd recommend starting with video transcription. I suppose 1.25 cents per minute is sufficient. So right now, if you go down to the very bottom of the website, you'll see freelancers. When you click it, you'll be brought to this page where you may find freelance jobs with a very flexible work schedule. You can pick and choose from hundreds of job opportunities, and you'll get paid on a weekly basis. The best aspect is that your money will arrive on schedule and in a secure manner. Feeling excited to try this? Well, there's more, but before we go any deeper, I'll give you some to subscribe to the channel. Make sure to give a thumbs up too if you love the video. Do you have any questions, concerns, or violent reactions? Please comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Now it's time to go back to earn some money. Let's now move on to the second website website in our list, transcribe.com. This website is also free. When you visit their homepage, you'll discover that they have a few job openings. You may make money online by doing things like transcription or translation. I prefer you to concentrate on transcription because it pays well. As you can see, they have the finest rates in the market, with earnings ranging from $15 to $22 every audio hour and a monthly maximum of $2,200. It's incredible. Let's have a look at an online calculator and conduct some math. That's $22 each audio per hour, or $110 if you do it for 5 hours. This one, however, pays less than Rev.com. That said, I recommend that you set aside some time to join Rev.com because it is a better alternative if you want to diversify your revenue streams. You can join both Rev.com and TranscribeMe.com. To join Transcribe.com, simply click Get Started and you'll be sent to a page where you can fill out your information. This website is wonderful since you can use it from your phone or your computer, and they have very flexible work hours and schedules, so you can work at your own pace. The nicest aspect is that they provide 2 to 4 minute segments, so it's not at all time consuming. Imagine how much money you could make if you spend half an hour or even an hour transcribing. You only need to enter your first and last names as well as your email address for the account activation confirmation link. Make sure to provide your actual email address, then you can create and confirm your password right here. After that, go to your PayPal account and log in. Always check your email since they will send you verification facts regarding your typing speed, and they will also ask you what your typing speed is from time to time. Typingtest.com comes in handy in this situation. You can take a typing test on this website to find out what your typing speed is in terms of words per minute. You'll be able to see your findings immediately after completing the test. All you need to do now is snap a screenshot of the outcome and email it to them. So this is your typing speed, which you may enhance or even double by enrolling in one of the typing courses offered in this website. You will have additional job opportunities as a result of this. If you want to make even more money, watch this video right now to learn how to get free PayPal money by simply opening an email, which is one of the easiest methods to make money online. And that's it. So there you have it. I hope that this video helped you gain another avenue to earn money. If you like videos that have similar content to this, check out my channel and view my other videos. And if you like it, please hit the like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you'll be notified of new videos. If you have any further questions, feel free to comment down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.